Cheers.
Cheers.
Are you sure you just want one, babe? Because they're really small.
Sure, I'll like, oh, okay, yeah, I'll like two.
Are you laughing at me? Hello and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Monday, the start of a new week. I've just been here on the couch editing and replying to some emails, planning out my month because there are so many events to go to this month that I'm really excited about, but I have a full calendar. But this morning we made breakfast. I made like a new thing that I saw Alexandria Rodriguez do. She does like the avocado toast with the Dave's Killer bread and a hard-boiled egg, and it was really good this morning. We had that, we had coffee, we had our greens. Like I said, we've just been on the couch just like chilling, spending time together, and I've been editing. I'm not too sure what we're gonna be doing today, but I think we're just gonna take it easy, right babe?
Yes.
Well, we just have relaxed and had a morning together, which has been really nice. It's currently 1 o'clock, so I don't know, probably gonna have like some lunch, and then for dinner I want to make taco salad, which is gonna be yummy. We don't have any plans for the day, just gonna probably be in this exact spot all day. Should we go to the pool? I feel like every time we say let's go to the pool, we never go to the pool.
Well, I mean, it's just like a lot of people.
Yeah,
you know,
and like
it can like, not that we don't like being around people, it's just it's like overly crowded.
Yeah, and especially because like summer's out, so there's like a lot of kids at our pool. But I will say I think they're cracking down on it because they finally gave us wristbands to wear like at the pool. It's like however many people are on your lease, and then you get like 2 extra for like your guests. So I haven't seen like as many random people at the pool, but yeah. But we'll see. We may or may not go. We don't know. I think Matthew wanted to go to the storage unit, which we have here at our apartments, to get some stuff out. But like I said, it's going to be all up in the air. Today will just be like a relaxing day.
Yeah, like going to go get the stuff that we need to get out of the storage sounds very responsible and adult-like. But right now, I'm not feeling really adult-like. Not feeling too responsible.
Yeah.
You know, like all the bills are paid. We're good. Like, you know what I mean? Like we did our due diligence.
We sure did.
You know, I think we deserve cuddles with giant strawberries. You know what I mean?
With giant strawberries, yeah. So we'll see. Matthew's watching this show. I think it only has like 1 season. It looks kind of weird, but what is it called?
It came out in 2020, so obviously didn't do that good.
Probably do that good, yeah.
It seems kind of cool. It's like a whodunit kind of mystery. Coming of age. It takes place in like 1995 in some small town in Illinois.
Okay.
But yeah, it's called When the Streetlights Come On.
When the Streetlights Come On.
I think that's what
I have just been editing, so I had like my headphones on, and it has like noise cancellation, so I haven't really like heard any of it. But Matthew's watching that right now, but while I work.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. If there's any TV shows that y'all recommend, let us know. I talked about it in another vlog, but I ended up scrapping the footage. But we recently watched Saint X, which we did like. Pretty good show. And then we also recently watched that show on Apple TV. I keep forgetting the name of it.
Well, there's actually, I feel like the last couple weeks.
Oh, The Last Thing He Told Me.
Yeah.
That one was really good, but the ending like made me so mad.
No, and before we saw those two, we saw that one called School Spirit.
Oh, School Spirit. That was really good on Paramount Plus.
Yeah.
That one we really, really liked. And then of course we're watching a new season of Selling Sunset. I think there was another, maybe that was it so far, right?
Yeah, we've run through like 4 shows.
Yeah, we have. You know, we've kind of gone through them. Well, when Matthew's off, it's like the only thing that we really enjoy doing. Of course, we like to go like out to eat and go like try coffee shops and like stuff like that. But we also really love being on the couch like this, or like in our room. Like we really do enjoy being home. Like
yeah, because when we first dated, we were always like working or always. Like,
we were really poor.
Yeah, like, we didn't have. A
we
whole
had
lot
like
to,
nothing.
You know, and now it's like we're here and like we can enjoy stuff like this.
And like we're in the comfort of our own home in our apartment, so we really enjoy it. So if y'all have any recommendations for other shows, we have literally all the streaming services. We have HBO Max. I don't think it's HBO Max. I think it's just Max now. We have Prime. We have Paramount. We have Peacock. Oh, we were watching the that one reality TV show. What is it called? With that guy?
Which one?
Well, he has like his 3 daughters.
Oh, the Sylvester Stallone.
Yeah, his reality TV show. We saw the first episode. It was really good, but I want to wait till they all come out because I like to binge watch it. And I know the Kardashian show, the one on Hulu came out again.
And I saw it by myself. She didn't watch it with me because she didn't want to.
Oh, I thought you watched the Kardashian show. Like you watched it?
No, not that. I saw no, because you talked about Sylvester Stallone.
His show.
That new show that came out, the Tulsa King. That was a cool show.
Matthew watched that one. I fell asleep. I didn't watch any of it.
It's a guy show.
Yeah.
It's a cool show.
So, but yeah. But if y'all have any recommendations for shows, let us know. But I'm gonna finish editing and doing like some work, and Matthew's just gonna be here, but we'll see what we get into later. What do you have for me? Oh my goodness. Wait, let me get in the... What? This is bad. Matthew.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry if I'm yelling. I have my headphones on.
Yeah.
This is better than I have ever made in my life. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Is this for both of us?
Oh, it's for you.
This is...
whatever you don't finish off.
Okay, babe.
That's right, ladies. Don't let appearances fool you. I'm not just ruggedly good looking. These hands can do magic.
I am so blown away. Even Ranger wants some. Well, I am going to enjoy this and finish editing. Clocked out a little early to enjoy the pool. Oh no. So, in case you didn't notice, I
might have a thing for strawberries, y'all.
How was the pool, babe?
It was good. It was definitely needed.
Definitely needed. It was fantastic. All right, dinner is served. We have a taco salad. We have black beans, corn, tomatoes, cheese, rice, and the meat. And the lettuce on the bottom.
Oh, wow. Dang, this looks really good. Kava or what?
Chipotle.
Oh yeah, this looks really good.
Yeah? Okay. And this is the aftermath. Matthew mixed his up. Look, we're also gonna eat them with these chips. We have the hot and spicy for Matthew, and then I have nacho cheese. And of course, our root beer poppies.
Yo, that's so good.
For real, for real?
Yeah. The meat's seasoned right. Well, it's the grass-fed meat. You gotta get that
one.
So good. This is excellent, babe.
Good, glad you like it. Good morning, you guys. Today is Tuesday. Right, yeah, is it Tuesday? Today is Tuesday. It's currently about 9:34 a.m. But I am starting my morning off with my coffee. I'm also gonna have some breakfast. I'm making some of the like little rounds that I'll show you guys, and I think it's smoothie. But for today, I'm just gonna be editing. I wanna edit this vlog and have it like already kind of ready because I just like to be prepared since y'all have been having really old vlogs. And then I have to do some emails because like I said, there's a few events I have to go to, and I'm just like trying to plan out my calendar for this month. And then Matthew goes back to work today, so he's gonna be going to work this afternoon, so I'm gonna like pack his lunch, do what I gotta do, and that's gonna be it for the morning. But I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. Let me show you guys my breakfast real quick. Here is my breakfast. So first thing, I have 2 of these little muffin round things. I used to always eat these, and then I went to Walmart the other day and I found the blueberry muffin flavor, so I grabbed it and they're really good. I think the blueberry one is really good and they're like pretty good for you, so I like these to have. And then I also made a strawberry banana acai smoothie with collagen, so I have my smoothie and my coffee, and that's breakfast for today. I just packed my husband's lunch for his 12-hour shift tonight. I don't ever talk about it here on YouTube, but I do always post a short. Sometimes I forget. Okay, I think he's like a squirrel or something out there, but like I was saying, I sometimes post a short here on YouTube. I kind of forget because it's hard to keep up with so many platforms. I do have like a little series over on TikTok where I show his lunch every single day. But I just want to give you guys a little bit of a preview. I normally give him whatever we had for dinner last night. So I had the taco salad down there. I gave him like a little like mini Lunchables and then some snacks. I do always get asked, and like not really asked, but just told, like, you give him too many snacks. Like, why do you give him so much food? Really? But if you have a husband that does like a physical labor job, or like has like a blue collar job, or they like are like out in the field or like something like that, they need snacks. He doesn't always get the chance to take a lunch, and sometimes it's just easier for him to like grab something from his lunchbox. He does not eat all of this, but it is nice to have the options, so that's why I overpack his lunch. But I am trying to do like healthier options. So like we have like baked chips instead of the other fruit strips I give him. I found this one with like less sugar. I do obviously have like Chips Ahoy and a little cake because we're trying to like get rid of it, and then I will like buy healthier stuff. But that is his lunch. But I think I'm gonna just wait for him to leave because I want to say goodbye, and then I might head to the pool again. I am back from the pool and I just made another friend. I am so excited. We pretty much talked the whole time. She's also 30 years old and she's pretty new to San Antonio. She's not from here. We connected on so many things and it was so nice. We exchanged phone numbers, so hopefully we can hang out again. I don't know. I'm down if she's down. But I now have 2 friends that live here, which is pretty cool. But after she left, I ended up staying to read my book a little bit. I'm on like the 3rd or 4th chapter of Ugly Love. Kind of got in the pool again before I left. So I am now back home, but I am starving. Like, I am so hungry. So I think I'm gonna make some food. I think I'm gonna make tilapia a la mexicana or tilapia mexicana, one of those. Dinner is ready. It looks so good. I have the tilapia and I have the rice and I have my strawberry lemon poppy. And I'm gonna watch some YouTube. This is dinner. Like I said, I will link the video in my description. It is so good and it is so easy. Hello, today is actually Wednesday. It is the next day from the last clip that y'all saw. Currently 5:23 p.m. I'm starting this vlog off very, very late. I started my period today, so I've been like crampy and like really bloated and just, you know, going through it all day. So that's been fun. But I'm actually dressed, ready to go to an event tonight. I'm really excited. My friend Gabby is hosting this event with Honcho's Churros. They have the best churros in San Antonio. They're so good. Then I have another event to go to after that for a restaurant, and I'm just like, 2 events in one day is fun, but it's a lot, but it's gonna be fun regardless. But let's go to the event. It's 5:24. It started at 6, so I am running late per usual. The first event is done. We were at Honcho's. It was so good. The best churros ever, but we were outside and my hair like totally fell because it was so hot. And now I'm off to Bonfila for the next event. I finally made it back home. It is currently 10:10 p.m. I did not expect to come home this late, but I had a really good time tonight. The first event was at Honcho's. It was hosted by my friend Gabby, who's also known as Siempre San Antonio on her social media platforms. You guys might recognize her. She has the red hair. She's always like, hey friends, check out blah blah blah. Like, I love her. So she has really good content. So if you guys are not following her, give her a follow because she posts really good stuff. So she hosted the first event of the evening with Honcho's, which is again that churro place that you guys saw. But it was a lot of fun. But oh my my gosh, it was so hot. I didn't know the event was gonna be outside, so I was just like just a downpour of sweat, and it was like, I don't even know, like 99 today or something like that, so it was very hot. Right after that, I had another event at a restaurant called Bonfila. It's a Mexican restaurant. It's off of Bulverde, so it's a little bit closer to like my side of town, but the food was so good. And you guys, they have these like gigantic conchas. Oh my gosh. So the chocolate one is like a Father's Day special, so I probably am gonna be posting this vlog on Father's Day, so if you see it in time, if you're in San Antonio, go check it out, because that chocolate one with the strawberries and like cream inside, that's only gonna be for Sunday. But the pink guancha, which I think I showed, is like their everyday guancha that they have. Everything that we sampled was delicious. It's also a really great place to check out. I do want to go back with Matthew because I think he would really enjoy it, but I am gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.